Hi, my name is Muhammad Ibrahim. So now I'll discuss the class diagram of the task management systems. So in this diagram, uh, we can learn the concept of the compositions, aggregation, inheritance, and the classes, attribute. What's the classes? What's the attributes? So in this diagram, you can see the multiple classes like systems, users, task list, manager, task, employee. So basically, these are all classes, and under these classes, you can see their attributes. Uh, and the other thing is the what's the compositions, what's the aggregations, and what's the inheritance. The concept of the compositions you can see in this diagram. Employee and task and manager and task is related with each other under the compositions. You can see these arrows. Its mean is the compositions. So basically the composition, the concept of the composition is if we skip one class like task, if we skip these task class, so our overall the system doesn't exist. So the mean of the compositions, if we skip just one class in overall the systems, so the systems doesn't exist. And in the concept of the aggregations, so for example, system class and user class is related under the aggregations, and the other example is systems and task list. You can see in this diagram is related under the aggregations. So these classes basically related with each others under aggregations. It's mean if we skip just one class, like if we skip system, so when we skip just one class like system, so our overall systems can works, and it does exist. And the other thing is an inheritance, like inheritance means generalize the classes, like users and managers, users and employee. So these are basically in the concept of uh, parent class and child class. So in the parents and child class, the relation basically with each other under the inheritance. So it exists these relation under the inheritance. So this is the concept of the inheritance. So now we move further. Used a use case diagram. So in this diagram you can see we have a two member like employee and manager. So basically employee can add, update, delete and mark task. You can see employee can create task, update task and delete task. So employee can these actions, and the manager, you can see manager can view the task and assign priority and deadline, and also manager can filter by priority or deadline. So basically this is the use case diagram between employee and manager. So at the end, I would like to explain the summary. So in the summary, develop a task management system for employees and managers is just a one point. And the second is employee can add, update, delete, and mark task complete. As you know, I already explained in use case diagram. And the manager have additional filtering function for better oversight. Systems ensures efficient task tracking and prioritizations, improve team collaborations, and workflow management. So basically, this is the concept of the use case diagram, or how the employer and managers can work. So thank you so much.